Well, hello everybody. It's Rob McNelis, Mr. Santee, coming at you one more time for this week's Santee real estate market update. And as always, we're starting off with the attached homes. That's our condos and townhomes, things of that nature. And there are currently 51 active listings on the market right now. Average being a 2-bedroom, 2-bath at 1,242 square feet. And our average asking price per square foot is $155 a square foot. You might want to know why I always keep it to price per square foot, because that is actually the easiest tell. You may have somebody that goes high on their asking price as a whole because they think they have some nice amenities, but the best tell is looking at price per square foot and watching that little indicator right there. So that's why everything revolves around that. So let's keep going. Let's go to pending. If we look at pending, these are the ones that are currently in escrow waiting the close of escrow. And we have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath is the average, 1,064 square feet, so just under 1,100, and $151 a square foot is the asking price per square foot. Now, that's what, about $4, $3.50 less than the active on the market. And you can see that the lower the price per square foot, obviously the quicker it is to get picked up. And sold, we have 24 that have sold in the last 30 days, the average being a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,143 square feet. So this is dead center between what's active and what's pending. And once again, dead center is $153 a square foot, that is, for our sales price. So this is actual closed numbers. $153 a square foot is what we're closing at right now. If we compare that to East County is currently at $128 a square foot, so it's right about $25 a square foot more in Santee, which means our market still continues to be strong. If we were actually to look at Santee last week, because we only had the 2 sales in all last week for that 30-day period that I was able to pick up, the difference is $28 more this week. So it's kind of a significant difference there. Let's go to detached. Now, for our single-family detached market, you'll see that we have 91 active listings in Santee, the average being a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,608 square foot home at $223 a square foot. Go to pending sales, 63 pending listings, an average being a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,675 square feet, so right there at the same thing, and the average asking price per square foot is $202.88. And the most telling of all, the sold. We've had 44 homes close escrow in the last 30 days. Detached homes, that is, close escrow in the last 30 days. The average being a 3-2, 1,574 square feet, so right there at that 1,600 square foot mark. And the average sales price per square foot is $216.74 a square foot. Compare that to East County. East County was $194.67, so that puts us about $22 more than East County. And compared to last week, it's only $1 more, so we're staying pretty solid right there on the detached homes. Well, that's it for this week's market update, and I hope you will check in next week when I have another one for you. Until then, be safe, be sane, and we'll talk to you soon.